Yo, you guys, when I put this clip in, I'm gonna turn off the fan. I was so shocked that this look took me less than half an hour. I was like, what? I only stopped the video when I was probably moving something around. I'm never want to shake the phone because the phone did up on the bed. I'm using a double ring light. I use the big ring light. I'm have it. Remember, so the stick part broke, so I'm have the ring light part on the bed on the pillar. I catch it up, and then I have the other ring light. So I did use pan. And Christine, I never like the nurse. I never like the positioning. Yeah, I direct. So they told them use, and I really like it. I don't see any difference, but it is hella. It is like after I started this after 2 in the afternoon. And this is giving me morning vibes, so I love it. My lashes, shout out to Naru Essentials for my lashes and my skin. And as she keep on saying it, and I don't say it to you guys, but on camera my skin look like shit. But in person my skin does not look like that, and I'm so grateful for her. She knows exactly what she's doing. And I have not even started using products that she's recommended. I've just been going to her. Oh my gosh. I've just been going to her. So remember how I normally set my brows with eyeshadow. So I'm going to do this, but I decided to switch up the eyeshadow the brow color. As I said, when I use a colored brow, when I use a colored brow pencil, I'm not really too stiff or rigid on the color pencil that's underneath because I may change it on top. So like with pink, you might when we don't need good purple and blue or like peacock or whatever. So yeah. So which is why I want to get a white pencil. I feel like a white pencil will fare better with kind of covering my brows. Even this is a no step skipped tutorial, you guys. And I'm even looking at like the clips ahead. And even I'll get up on them something that less than half an hour. Colored bros, this is just epic. And shout out to you guys for the support on Lyric After Dark. I will be filming another Lyric After Dark. I know I have makeup on, so I'll get up for go for things. And what if we can go over Claudia? I'm gonna go over Claudia and buy a little guineas. And then we just say ropes, make a flame the after that. But this next Lyric After Dark is going to be, it's going to be a little bit more after darky. And I think I have been avoiding Lyric After Dark being Lyric After Dark because y'all are gonna watch this in the day. It's so weird to me to know that at 12 p.m. you're listening to my coochie stories. My veggie tales. Ooh, ooh, veggie tales. Oh, but I'm going to hell. Not hell, but I'm gonna be like heaven on the outskirts. We discussed us being on the outskirts. I used the orange. I used the red, and then I'm going to go with purple. You can hear grandma preaching. And now I'm going over the orange with yellow because I just wanted a bit more of a contrast. And yeah, I should have gone with yellow first and then pink. I wasn't thinking. But it looks cute. I like it. I love this color bro concept. I love this colorway. The yellow, the orange, the purple, or the yellow pink. I like that. I don't really have much to say. Updates on Pome, even though I think I've already updated you guys. They are currently in Florida. So we'll be getting them this week, the week of November. Hold on then. The week of November 7th. Yeah. Yeah, they'll hopefully be in the island, and once they touch down, we'll be hitting the ground running. Okay, so I have some ideas I can probably run by you. Which shout out to you for listening to my voiceovers and actually interacting with me. It really means a lot. Okay, so for the event, because I've been nervous and I've been talking to my partner about how I'm going to do this. Like I don't have the confidence I usually have, and I was wondering why. Because I'm not. I get discouraged, but I'm encouraged almost immediately because I remember who I am and whose I am. You understand what I'm saying? So when this does stress me, I say, what the hell is going on? And I recognize that it's because I've been doing it without my ex-husband. Now, when I launched my stuff the very first time, when I launched the brushes, he was there, and I was placed into the frame of mind that I needed him to get this done. So I was talking to my partner now, and we were just talking about it. I'm like, Bomba, babe, like, that's the reason. Is him and him I say, I didn't know that if you get out, if you know say Candy, he's just so cool. He's so amazing. But yeah, that has been like the whole thing that where I recognize this is why I've been feeling this way. So I'm legit just grabbing it by the balls. So I want to run some ideas by you guys. I know what you think. I met me to talk to him about it already. I'm gonna tell him say because I wanna go buy it though. Someone know what can I do for you to support my business? Huh? Okay, so I'm thinking, right? So I'll be vlogging everything, like when I go customs, go pick up or pick up from a shipping guy, the bells, everything, the first time trying them on, everything. So I'll be vlogging all that experience. And then when that vlog goes up, in that vlog, I'm going to announce an event. Now the event, I'm gonna go for my phone again. It's going to be either November. I'm thinking, guys, but more I want to think. So the event is going to be on a Sunday because it's going to be a workout event for the belts, right? So it's going to be it's going to be November 20th or the 27th. Right, it's going to be on a Sunday and it's going to be in the afternoon, like at about 1 hour from 4 to 5, and it's going to be in Portmore, the hill. The reason why I'm going to do it in Portmore, yeah, we're looking for location. So yes, so I'm hoping remember because my partner said him go ask when I'm friend, so I'm gonna remind him. But yeah, so looking for the locations in Portmore just because it's easy, and remember I'm going to have like the products on hand, so the issue of safety is there as well. So and us as females will be working out, so I need some men around me who I know that we're going to be safe. You know what I mean? Yeah, so this one I think about. So the vlog and everything, and then I got announced in the vlog, the event. The event going to be on a that bro, bitch. The event going to be on a Sunday. It's going to be from 4 to 5. May I try see if I can catch if you eat on a Sunday dinner early, you can come out after, or you can just come out around go eat on a Sunday dinner. And then the event is where we'll be selling the belts. So that is where you can buy the belts. So that's my idea of a pop-up shop. So how people normally have pop-up. Sorry, I went around the place just to say I'm having a pop-up shop. Look at me, I suck my tongue. Sorry. So look at my lashes. Okay, so my skin looks so damn good. Okay, so moving on. So a pop-up shop, and it's going to be in Portmore. Mommy know only people have 10, so I'm gonna get a 10 for it because the idea is to not spend a lot of money, but because I need to earn a certain amount of money with this batch. This batch that I have, as small as it is, it needs to be sold out. So I'll be going very, very, very hard because this batch is the precursor to POMI being an international brand. When these are sold out, when these are sold out completely, the next order will be our biggest order. And that order is where I want Jamaica to be on the map in terms of branding, representation, everything. Because my thing is, okay, because my heart, it hasn't switched, but it has grown for the love of my country and why is so much bullshit happening. Is it me? Why is it so difficult for me to get my products into this country? But like guns and drugs is just an easy pass. And I have a lot of things to say that I will be pissing off people, especially like the leaders of the country. So I don't want to say anything because I don't want to put any of my family members in danger. So yeah, me feel like them are all done deliberately, and it's just money. The love of money is the root of all evil. Look at how olive this foundation is on me, you guys. It's the same perfect bronze I've been using, and it is so olive on me now because of my skincare. My skin is changing. Definitely. So even I recognize even how I do my face and everything, I'm like, okay, it's something needs to change. Yeah. So yeah, so right, so that's it. That's everything. That's everything. And I know I'm going to be very emotional with the belts because I love this design. It can be worn on their clothes, and then as I'm saying, so this one is the precursor to a bigger batch, and that bigger batch is going to be like unlike anything else, and that next batch that we'll have, those are going to be limited edition because of what I want to do. I just want Jamaica to be associated with luxury. We are not a third world country that was given to us because they decided to go into all the islands and everywhere where we have natural resources. Christina Colombo and Christine Kilimbe, they chose to come to our where we live and then say, okay, we now own this place, steal from us, and then go and build elsewhere, and then keep us underneath their feet or their thumb. And it pisses me off how our government is just with it hook, line, and sink, and that's because of money. And and it's because of money, because Jamaica, we have an entrepreneurial mindset, call it a chop life or whatever. But the truth is, we will survive. Worse, if you have a child, and know that me dead my man, I understand what it is to have a father who love them picnic and do things for them friggin' picnic. You hear me? I tell you. 'Cause remember, saying something me experience firsthand. Remember, I have a lot that I'm overcoming prior to being married. And you get what I say? You get what I say? So me choosing to be vulnerable and open to it is by choice. Because you don't have this vulnerability when you watch whoever that you look up to. So you kill you dead. The man live the perfect life and that you want. Because you have not removed the beam from your eye constantly. I'm removing this beam from my goddamn eye because I am not without sin. I am not without sin. I am me, I am not without sin, and everything I am, everything I want to be, I truly see myself being. It's because our Jesus did do, and that's the root and the main thing of everything that I do. The man live a rogue life, dog. I mean, I say blood cleanse. I want be like you, brother. The man live a life is like him not care. I know on these so brave as that. The things he did to lead us, he should have died. No. The things them when Jesus said do not them days, brother. Them is like, and that's why them days so pissed. Cause them say, what the friggin' keep and I get away with? Cause he was getting away. Because he spoke with such authority. Oh my. People ask me like, how do this, how do I read my Bible and get this? It's just the Holy Spirit, and he is so raw and real and tangible. All you have to do is talk to him and he'll answer. Because we're so ingrained. It's like, what am I say to you? It's like, yeah, blood cleanse, rain and drizzle. Shit. Blood cleanse, rain and drizzle. I'm going to go up on the road, Mama Rati, what got happen now? Look, I'm doing the voiceover. A beer rain, I lie. A beer rain from the other day, brother. And there's a lot of things that's happening in pop culture now that I'm scared. And I'm not going to call any name for no views of my videos, but I'm praying for her, bro. I'm scared. I'm so scared. I'm so afraid. I'm like, Lord, no, like no, and I keep on thinking about her children. That's all. I'm like, what? And I know how much you see how much she love her picnic them. You see how much she'll buy them house. You see how much she love her picnic them. That's all me I think about. Jesus, me I tell you. Jesus, my God. I love how this blended. Cheese and peas. This blended really, 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 really well. I love it so much. I love it. I love it. Oh, it now fall hard. Say my go beard. Guys, my go left on a blood cleanse, Me is going away left on a blood cleanse. So this video is 27. Yo, I did this in less than half an hour. I'm so proud of myself. With colored brows. If I was doing brown brows, I'd have done this in 20 minutes, No eyeshadow, no, nothing, just contour. 20 minutes, That's why I love these individual lashes. Yo, shout out to Nari every time. Naru Essentials on Instagram. Shout out to Naru Essentials on Instagram every single time, bro. Every time. She's so amazing at what she does. I'm shocked, and I'm legit shocked. When I tell her, Naru, this is happening. She's like, yeah. I'm like, oh, bitch. Yes, bitch. Yes, it is, honey. Oh, yes, girl. You so confident. Meanwhile, me over here shock out my blouse and skirt. I am going to go on top of what I just blended out with my foundation. See there? I'm going to put my foundation. Come on, it's a little bit darker. I want this a lighter, because I have I have, okay, so when I contour to conceal. I don't you've ever heard that, but I contour to conceal. So no matter what me I do my face, and when I see it for camera, you see in a real life, I do my makeup for people out the road, because I'm going out and it's a night. Even how I did my glow, I did it for the night. Y'all just be putting anything on your face and say makeup at any point of time in the day and say makeup, and I'm like, aye, baby, if that's what you think, that's what you think. But I'm gonna go, because it not started. I'm gonna run good beard. I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna have my POMIFITNESS. Because as I done the video, I just start do my voiceover, because I want this up and out for the 6th. Happy November 6th, love. Look at my brush that I got from my student. Oh, Pat, she is such an amazing student. You know, she told me that she came just to do the class for her mental health, and that resonated with me. So I made her extremely comfortable. Extreme. I'll start talking about Jesus. Well, pray. I'll tongues. What you say? It was just I love and that's why I fell in love with makeup initially because it breathes life into me. I meet so much of you, and we just strengthen with one another. We just talk to one another, and sometimes we all ball. Hey, you know much time because the makeup classes are 3 hours, right? I don't go beyond 3 hours. You know much time me done all hour and a half, 2 hours. I was sitting and talk. When say some sit down and I'm fish. No, within 1 hour, Diamond got everything. Diamond, that's the last. When we did the Elshire Fish, that vlog, she caught on. So, oh crap, I need to do her certificate because she's certified. Baby, she's amazing. She is so talented, boy. She's so talented. But yes, I'm gonna leave you know my girl. I'm gonna be as and then ropes. Don't forget to subscribe. If I resonate with you. If I don't, it's fine. You can just go ahead and thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. The powders I'm using are all over the place. One thing I think I should mention. I don't think let me say I don't think, but yeah, let me say it. Let me just be honest. I don't think I'll be the type of YouTuber to list what I'm using in the description. You'll just have to listen because it's difficult and I'm moving. You know what I mean? Like I'm moving, but I will definitely try. I'm not saying I'm not going to and say you have to just take what you get. I will definitely try, but I'm saying I've been trying to try and it's just been difficult to even try to sit down to start typing out, you know? So I try to say what I'm using. Look how nice that blend, like the eyebrow. I like how far I blended it down. It's really nice. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow, the 7th. And yeah, bye guys.
I'm not a princess. I'm a queen. You can call me highness. That's all I need. I'm rough around the edges, but I'm as precious as a pearl. If you hand over the kingdom, I can rule your world. I could be the ruler. Scoot on over, let me drive. over, let me drive. Scoot on over, let me drive. Scoot on over, let me drive. Scoot on over, let me drive.
Tell them I'm staying right here. Tell them I'm switching my gear. Yeah. Tell them I'm just getting started. Tell them this year's my year. Ay. Tell them I'm staying right here. Tell them I'm switching my gear. Yeah. Tell them I'm just getting started. Tell them this year's my year. Ay. I've been this rough since a boom. I'll take the man to the tomb. Yeah. Now they all ask what I'm doing. Well, you see it soon. Say that they know what to do. Say I should listen to you. Yeah. Y'all don't know what I've been doing. Trust me, you don't got a clue. Take the top to my front door. Only fiends coming through the bag. Got my problems, I don't want more. Lead the past up in the past. The way I'm moving, need a hard pass. All class with a book bag. In the night with that all black. Hang it up, then no call back. Yeah, I got time and it's all on my mind, so I tell them I'ma let it out. Yeah, and I got guap, but you know I can't stop, so I tell them I'ma dead it now. Yeah, I got green and I gotta switch cheese, but I'm looking for the cheddar now. That shit was all bad, now I'm coming to get last, and this year's looking better now. Tell them I'm staying right here. Tell them I'm switching my gear. Yeah. Tell them I'm just getting started. Tell them this year's my year. Ay. Tell them I'm staying right here. Tell them I'm switching my gear. Yeah. Tell them I'm just getting started. Tell them this year's my year. Ay. Tell them that. 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 Yeah. Tell them that. 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 Ay. How long was I gone for? Pop more than some popcorn. Gotta drive, can't stop for. All the talk, there's no time for it. Blowing up like Lumpur. Crowd wanting that encore. Tom Ford is what I wore, and I made it that what I bought it for. Now the speaker so fluent. I'm at the block like I'm Ewan. Yeah, they wanna keep me so stagnant. I make a hit, keep it moving. Up in the morning, I'm brewing. They gon' know where I knew it. They tryna keep me from making it. I swear they looking so Judas. Feel like Messi with the goals. Will I make it? I don't know. Time is running out the back door. Pray to God to open doors. Couple bands for the shows. Ay, making money off the flows. Yeah, I just had to go show y'all. Gotta keep them on their toes. Tell them I'm staying right here. Tell them I'm switching my gear. Yeah. Tell them I'm just getting started. Tell them this year's my year. Ay. Tell them I'm staying right here. Tell them I'm switching my gear. Yeah. Tell them I'm just getting started. Tell them this year's my year. Ay. Tell them that. 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 Yeah. Tell them that. 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 Hey, it's 2018. Yeah, come on, tell them that. Man, everything in 2017, I don't wanna hear about it no more. Okay, yeah, cause big things are brewing. I mean, big things popping in the city, you know. Yeah, that's all you need to know. Don't tell them that.
so not. Yeah, you so not. I just pull up shining, all these diamonds on me glisten. I got perfect timing, if you whining, I won't listen. Running like a boss, so I don't need your permission. Gucci on my lenses, now I got the perfect vision. Golden sacks I'm spending, now my man, I got him tripping. Buy me Fendi, buy me Dior, buy me everything I'm wishing. He won't listen and I'm dipping, yeah, you know, no, I got options. That's a no-no if you plotting, we on go-go, so we popping. You could not doubt it, just read front of the papers, I run up the paper. Spending it all, say nothing for later. You lower level, I'm up in the majors. I feel like a boss, feel like I'm in charge. I just pulled out my garage. I just pulled up in that drop top, that drop top. You know I've been getting guap guap. Yo, man, girly, she a thot. Cash, I get a lot. What I got you so not. Yeah, you so not. Yeah, you so not. Foreign car, yeah, they made it in Italy. Pulling up so nobody missing me. Don't care what you haters thinking. Cash on deck, your paper sinking. I got all this flavor dripping, diamonds shining, make them glisten. I got the sauce, feel like a boss. I'm at a loss for words. Fly like the birds, or riding I swerve, taking the curve. So hot like the stovetop. Ice all on me, froze watch. Ballin' like a globetrot. I'm on go like no stops. Cash, I get a whole lot. Yeah, that's a lot in my drop top. You know I've been getting guap guap. Yo, man, girly, she a thot. Cash, I get a lot. What I got you so not. Yeah, you so not. Yeah, you so not.